Hi! In front of me is Nokia 225 4G, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. First of all, go into menu. Now you need to select recorder. Over here. Come on. And click on this middle button to start recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. If you wish to end your recording and save it, click on the left button over here and name it. Then select OK in the middle. And now, if you want to access the list of all your recordings, click on this left button over here, and as you can see, mine is over here. You can always click on the left button again, choose rename or delete. If you want to delete your recording, select OK by tapping on the middle button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!